Do you want to know what is crazy? You can use Google to get paid online. In this video, I will demonstrate it to you on how to uncover all the secrets of this. All you need is a good device and a decent internet connection. I will lay out for you a step-to-step guide in this video. This technique is easy, safe, and doable all around the world. Make sure to watch this video all the way to know bonus tips on how to make money online from this lucrative method. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. To begin with, head over onto google.com to start this amazing journey with us. Start by typing into the search engine, Google Products and Services, then press Enter for the magic to begin. You will see a number of pages. However, you will need to click on this one right here called Browse all of Google's products and services link. That is the first step. Easy, huh? To review all, go to Google's products and services. All you have to do is click onto this link, Browse all products. And here you have the advantage to look at all the Google's own products, services, and platforms. Jaw-dropping, right? The best thing about this is that you can use all these for free. How amazing is that, right? You have all the popular Google platforms such as Google Chrome, Google Mail, Google Earth, and many more, including YouTube. Our main focus for now is Sites, so head over onto that right away. Sites is a platform which enables you to create your website for absolutely free here. How cool is that? However, before you lose your mind, you need to know something important. That is, you will not be required to purchase a domain or be designing anything as such at all. Guess what? You won't need to acquire any special skills or input any knowledge when producing a successful website that can help you earn easy money. The next step is you need to hover your mouse over onto the plus icon and click on the link named blank. This is located at the Start a New Site section. This will automatically open up a new blank page for you. This is where the fun part comes in. You can now start designing your own web page. It also gives you an opportunity to tour around the platform, enabling you to familiarize yourself with sites. For now, leave the website open and we will review it soon. Are you enjoying this video so far? Let us know if you're interested in checking out TaskRabbit.com or any other similar websites by leaving a comment in the comment section below. Or if there's any website you would like us to explore and make a video on, leave a comment below and we might just do a video on that as well. But for now, let's go back to the video. The second site we shall use is YouTube. So what are you waiting for? Get onto YouTube right now. Type into the search engine your idea based on the niche you have chosen. You can decide on your niche. It is entirely up to you and whatever piques your interests or whoever you aim your videos to attract. The only thing that matters here is your videos must be focused on tutorial videos rather than entertainment videos. A tip is to base your search on tutorial videos as a guide to gain those clicks and views. This is also because it gives your target market a focus so they can keep revisiting your videos back in order to achieve their purpose. Try to avoid entertainment videos for now. In our case, we have selected the cooking niche since it is a hot topic and popular worldwide. So I begin to type into the search bar, how to cook macaroni and cheese pasta. Press search and it will give you hundreds and thousands of results surrounding this topic you have searched. The reason why I selected this topic is simply because it is a trending topic in the niche. Not to mention, who doesn't love a good mac and cheese pasta? Unless you're lactose intolerant, then do ignore. I have focused on this topic for the obvious reason that it has accumulated millions and millions of views around the world. I have selected a video in which I have chosen and will now copy the YouTube URL link of it for later on. You can select your chosen video and copy its URL link now. We will use this URL link for later. We can now continue further on this strategy to how to make money using a device and a decent internet connection. Before we go on to the next website on our list, do you find this video helpful? If you do, let us know in the comments section below, and please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads, where we always tell you about the easiest ways you can make extra money with the technology you have available. You might just find the right fit for you. But for now though, let's go back to the video. The next site we will be using for this strategy is XCIO. This is a core site as it shall be paying you for using it. Please head over to the site called XCIO. This is where the real fun will begin. On this site, you are able to shorten the links you have copied from YouTube and share it to your target market to earn easy money. This is an efficient and fast method to an easy side income. There is a difference between this website and Bitly. Guess what the difference is? This website actually pays you for the clicks you receive from your shortened videos. This website is easy to make money as all it entails is people clicking onto your shortened link to watch your videos without needing to sign up for it. It is as simple as that. This website is also easy to use as a user, so you will be able to get your head over it. Here is an example of all the users who have used this website in making an income from clicks. These are the results collected on a daily basis. The amount of income you can make is based on your videos and the clicks you gain when someone visits your video links. The first thing you shall need to do is simply sign up. Straightforward, huh? Once you have logged in, this is what everything shall appear as. You will now be able to shorten links from YouTube URLs and get paid. Now, all you are required to do is paste the YouTube video you selected from YouTube into XCIO. Firstly, click on the Create Link button and you will have a small box appear. Copy the YouTube link into the Create Using URL bar, then click Create. Now it shall provide you with a new URL of the shortened video for you. So whenever someone clicks onto your shortened video link using the new URL, you get paid. However, the fun doesn't end here. Before we go on, we're almost at the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button to make sure you're updated on all our future uploads, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we have new content. We're constantly looking for new ways we can help you make extra money using your phones or computers, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of this. Finally, we return back to our original website, Google site. Remember? Open up Google site now. All you have to do now is the fun part. That is, inserting an interesting design onto the Google site page. The design should be focused on mainly the video you decide to use and the themes around it, matching the niche, which is your main focal point. In our case, our focal point was on how to make macaroni and cheese pasta. To start with, we need to edit the text and background picture of this site that matches the theme here. The video link comes into good use here as it entails a snappy title which we can use for the Google site title here, which is Make Macaroni and Cheese Pasta Easy. Now, you will need to enter a button. Go onto the tab Button, click onto it, and you will see a name and link. Write whatever will help enable you to attract your audience in the name and insert the link, which is the shortened video, to help the audience find the shortened video. Then simply press Insert. You can tweak your new Google site designs however you wish. When you have completed your site, press Publish. And there, you're all done. You are now able to review your site. Now the really interesting part. Whenever someone reviews your site, they will be able to click on the shortened video link you have created from XCIO, and each time someone clicks it, you will be paid. Now for the final steps, head over to Quora.com and sign up on this website for free. It is a quick and easy process and takes a few minutes of your time. On this website, you will see people asking questions on a wide range of topics and receive answers by Quora members. This website has thousands to millions of visits each day, and this is why it is important to us for the next step. Now, use the search bar and insert how to make macaroni and cheese pasta. You will see many people will now become interested in my video on how to make macaroni and cheese pasta. You will also encounter people interested in your niche. This would now become a marketing tool to generate site views. In order to get paid each time someone decides to click on the video on the Google Sites we just created based on the niche or focal point. All you have to do is respond to each of those questions the people have and say, "This is how I make mac and cheese easy," or something similar. Then insert the Google Sites link directly under the comment section, which can be accessible to all Quora members. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, we are constantly making videos just like this with new tips on how you can start your journey to financial freedom, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to hit that notification bell. And while you're at it, leave us your thoughts and suggestions in our comment section as we love hearing from you guys. Good luck and see you in our next video.